Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with this unit from Myfirstwig.com, and they also sent in some accessories. They always do, you guys, and they always send some goodies all the time, and this is a must. They always send a wig stand, okay? Even if I haven't used one of them, but yeah, they always send wig stand and everything that comes with the wig. So this is the hair details, you guys. Exactly, this is what I have, what they sent to me. This is the V Part unit, and this is in the texture Yaki, and it is 20 inches. So here's a close-up on what the V Part looks like, and it also comes with elastic band and combs, adjustable straps. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this unit for you guys. So the hair texture is the Yaki texture, and it felt absolutely amazing. It felt so good, like I was just in love with the hair texture. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off that part. I don't think you're supposed to keep this on, okay? Definitely you have to remove it. Like you have to cut that part to separate the V part, okay? Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the clips that it comes with. As you can see, it's an instant install, hunting. Literally 2 seconds install. Like, forgive my hair, you guys, my hair is always looking a mess, okay? But nobody's gonna know. Yeah, I was just like, wow, it looked absolutely amazing. Like, it's an instant kind of unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my brush just to tease the hair, like around the parting. I wasn't in the mood of doing the crochet kind of illusion. As you guys know, I've done this before. If you check my videos, I was just like, let me see how this looks without going the extra mile. One other thing that I would advise you guys, if you've got good thick hair or dense hair, you can do your cornrows so small and so close together. But because my hair is scarce, as my hair type, my hair is very scarce, it's not like pegged together. My parts are visibly or usually spaced out, if you know what I'm saying. Like, yeah, it's always been like this since I was a child, so yeah, not a problem. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my stretching comb, and I'm just using this just to brush the hair. I'm also gonna do my falsy hair edges. As you can see, they were just popping out. It wasn't looking nice and sleek at all, okay? I just needed to make everything blend seamlessly and flawless, okay? Went ahead and grabbed my flat iron, but it was on a low setting because I did not want this hair bone straight. I just wanted to straighten the hair. Since it was in a packaging or in a box, obviously it will not look as straight as it was, so I just wanted to keep the hair nice and straight and sleek, handsy, okay? So this is what the V part unit looks like with no leave out, okay? I absolutely love it. Like, seriously, like, it's a good protective hairstyle if you're trying to protect your edges or your hair. You just have to take all your hair out and just rock the no leave out. This is giving me like a relaxed hair, kind of a fresh relaxer kind of hair. Like, wow, look at that, guys, so sleek and so beautiful. I love the hair texture, you guys. This hair is amazing. Like, wow, absolutely love that they layered it as well. Yeah, beautiful, gorgeous hair. Love the texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I styled the leave out. So again, I am using my stretching comb just to loosen my falsy hair texture. I did not straighten my own hair. I just used the heat from the comb, okay, and I did burn myself. Like, what the hell? You better be careful, okay, if you're using this tool. And I did go ahead and use my Got to Be Glued spray just to make sure that everything was blending seamlessly and beautifully. And as you can see, you guys, my part was looking absolutely amazing. So I was just playing around with the part, just making sure that everything looks good. So this is what the part is looking like. So this is the leave out kind of look. I love the leave out kind of look as well, but obviously bear in mind that there are two different textures, like my hair and the unit. But as you can see, everything was blending beautifully and seamlessly and flawlessly. I love how everything turned out, you guys. Like, I'll definitely leave all the hair details in the description box down below. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts on this unit in the comment section down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.